like in FP. So as I was saying that um, the proposal is like in FP1 SAP will propose the due date based on payment term, but I just manually changed it. Similarly, SAP can propose a clearing rule, a clearing match, that which debit should match with which credit based on the clearing control. But again, you can undo it and you can go ahead with your own clearing. Okay, you can decide which one to clear with which one. That's with you. Understood, Ganesh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so default value for resetting clearing. Define default for resetting clearing. Here it is saying that uh, whatever clearing reason the original clearing has happened, we have this many clearing reason, and I told you do not change any clearing reason. So in this environment it is configured like for whatever. So whenever I'm going to undo a clearing, the initial clearing system will check what was the initial clearing, whether the initial clearing was an incoming payment, or it was a refund, or it was a transfer, write off, reversal, statistical item reset, account maintenance. Then what was that? 15 automatic clearing, whatever the initial clearing. Now when the reset clearing document will post, with which debit credit will it post? It will post with this 60 and 10. Okay, it is mentioned this way in this environment, 60 and 10. Okay, so you can change it. You can mention based on your client's requirement. Suppose if it is cleared with account maintenance, then uh, uh, one combination of debit credit needed. If it is cleared with returns, then another combination of debit credit you can assign. If it is cleared with, say, automatic clearing, then another combination of debit credit you can assign. So that way also you can assign. Currently it is assigned. Okay, I have a sandbox. Let me open the sandbox and see how is it a utility sandbox. Let me see, posting area 1090 na. Let me see how in a sandbox it is designed. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll just stop sharing for a while. 1090. Do I recall the password of the sandbox? S4H, S4H2. Okay, in the sandbox also it is the same. Let me present my screen. Okay, so this is a S4 system of ISU. Here also the, why is it saying return clearing? It should be reset clearing, right? Hang on. 1090 specification for return clearing. It says clearing reset new open item. But anyway, same posting area. Or let me do from config. Let me go from config /o5 img I think it is the same node only. Basic function, open item management, default for resetting, clearing. Yeah, it is the same. So in sandbox also it is the same. Okay, so I'm coming out of the sandbox. So that means my company code must be extended to the 6010. So it is already extended. 6010 is already extended. So I don't have to do any config. Okay. Next, that is all about all the config about reset clearing. Now let's go to reversal because I'm going to show both of them together. So reversal has a separate node. I think it is under business transaction and we have reversal. Define default value for reversal. So whenever reversal will happen, the document type is created as ST. Ideally, we use RV. Do we have RV and RV is used for something else or what? RV. Okay, RV is not configured, but anyways, ST is assigned here and clearing reason again, do not change the clearing reason 05. And if we are doing check reversal, then for check dishonor, I'll share a video on check dishonor because refund is not part of our course because refund is similar to direct debit, exactly the same. Only instead of incoming payment method, it will be a outgoing payment method. Everything is same. So I'll share a video on refund. By the way, I have already shared a video on external cash desk where real-time payment is collected. I told you that the payment can be batch payment or manual payment, or it can be real-time payment. That means the moment the payment is posted, it will appear in the system. So I have shared a video for real-time payment, how via API the real-time payments are posted. You can go through that video I have shared in the WhatsApp group. So similarly, check, I will share a video on the check encashment or similar check processes. I will share a video. Okay, so this will not be needed now because I am not showing check here. Define specification for clearing items. See here, for
So
each
that
clearing
video, Subhadra, you will put in our shared drive, or these things will come in WhatsApp only?
in the WhatsApp, it's a free video. It's in my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so whatever video, whenever will it will be relevant. Once that particular topic is covered, then I share that video. So last week we talked about EBS, then I shared the EBS video. And also once the cache disk is completed, I shared the external cache disk. Here I cannot show the external cache disk because my system is not integrated with any other system. For external cache disk, API connectivity, RFC, all of them should be present. So here I cannot, but I created a video from another system. You can go through that. Okay, that will take you to the YouTube channel. You can open it and you can play anytime. That will not be in the shared drive. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here, this is what I was saying. So we went to a similar posting area. Let me open the similar posting area. FQC0, that was for reset clearing. This is for reversal. It was 1090. It says for all clearing reason, my debit this and credit this will be needed. Okay. And I told you that for different clearing reason, you can have different combo. So this is what it is designed here in 1091. This says reverse. Okay. For reversal, if the clearing happened via 01, 01 means incoming payment. Now when that is reversed, that debit 600 credit 10 will be needed. Okay. This is how it is configured. Again, if the payment is cleared via refund, outgoing payment, then once it is cleared, after that, if it is reversed or reset cleared, then this 610 and 10 combination is needed. Okay. So let's understand why do we have reset slash reverse. Okay. Let's understand this. Say I have one invoice posted of $100. Okay. And if I want to reverse the invoice, it will not do any reset clear. Simply the invoice will be reversed. Say I have a payment posted IP incoming payment of $100 and they are cleared. Suppose they are cleared. directly via payment it is cleared, or it may happen via auto clear it is cleared, but they are already cleared. Now if I want to reverse the payment, this reversal will trigger reset clear first, because I cannot reverse the payment till I segregate the payment from the invoice. Okay, so my functionality is to run reversal, but in the back end it will first detach the payment and invoice, because as long as they are cleared, they are embedded. So they will detach. That means the reset clear will be undone, then the payment will be reversed. Okay, so although I'm running reversal FP08, but in the backend FP07 is also being called. That's why it says reverse slash reset clear, reverse slash reset clear. Okay, so uh, normal reversal, if the item is open, then this is disregarded. This clearing reason is not needed. But if it is already cleared, after that I'm going to reverse or reset clear, then the reset clear document will be posted with these debit, okay, and these credit mains up. Okay, so in our case, which one do I need? I will need I will need 01 because I have incoming payment. This is not needed. Transfer item is not done yet. Write off is not done yet. Reversal 605 I will need. Okay, then 888 account maintenance, yes I need. So 600, 605, 610 I need. Okay, returns I have not done yet. 14 mass write off not done. Automatic, okay, so 610. So how many main sub do I need to extend? 600 is needed, 605 is needed, 610 is needed, 610 is needed. So right now I have to extend 600, 610 and 605 into my company code. If I don't extend, then the reverse and reset clear will not work properly. Okay, so for that I have to extend. So two option, either I can make it star and put a single main sub like this 1090 posting area. If I do this, that means my company code will need 60 and 10. As long as my company code has 60 and 10 assigned, then the reset and reversal will work perfectly. First option. Second option is whatever it is configured, I will just extend those main sub combination into my company code so that as per this config, this will work. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with the second scenario, because if I do the first one, then it is not company code specific. Whatever change I do, it will be applicable for all trainees, whoever are practice. So all of them will be impacted. That's why wherever there are central or client level config, we will not touch that. Instead, we'll adapt our company code to be compliant of the config. Okay, so I'm going to do, I'm going to extend the main sub combinations which are needed as per this config. So 600, 605, 610, 610. So three main sub I have to extend: 600, 605, 610. Okay. Now, since here the main sub are already being assigned, that means the main sub are already configured. Okay, so we had 5 steps. Remember, for each main step, first I will create a main transaction. Second, I will create a main sub combination. Third, I will assign it to other receivable. 4, I will do EK01. 5, I will do EK02. So this one and this one is done. Why? Because I can see that the main sub are available in the F4. That means the main sub combination is done. So I'll start from here. Other receivable, EK01, EK02. Okay. So let me clear all drawings, and so I'll go to posting and document, basic function. Even if you don't do it, SAP will, when the reversal will fail, SAP will tell you that this main sub is missing. They will tell you properly. But since we're doing in a proper way, so let's configure. But in case you forget, SAP will prompt you that this posting area, this main sub combo is missing. Okay. Document, maintain document assignment, define transaction for ISU. Here in the other receivable I can do, or do I have a dedicated note for reversal reset clearing? I don't have, but anyways I can do it from other receivable. Okay, so let's see, do I have 600 already configured? How can I check this? Other receivable, Whatever main sub are assigned for other receivable, like you can check it from a table. The table name is T305. Okay, how to check that table? How do I know that the table name is T305? So just get inside. So from here I can see 600 is not created. Okay, so it starts from 20, then straight away jumps to 900. We don't have 600, but if you want to see the backend table, double click and click on the print button here. It will tell you T305. So if you run this table T305, it will give you a synopsis of how many main sub are already extended to your company code. T305, just enter 0903. It will tell you how many main sub is assigned to your, only 5 combination is assigned. 20, 2010, 2020, 6010, 90310, 90320. Okay, so I need to assign 600, 605 and 610. So I'll come here and click on new entry 0903. 600 is, I think, payment. 0600 0010, it will be credit. Manual posting is not needed. Okay, I'm not putting manual posting. Let's see if SAP prompts, then I will do. 600 is done. Next is 605. 605 was reverse. 605. Okay, you can check it from here. The moment you change it 605, you hit enter, the description will pop up here, and then you can copy the description and put it in the short text, long text. So hit enter, it says reversal. Okay, so I'll copy reversal here and here, save. Then 610, I think 610 is account maintenance, but you can choose from here as well. It will tell you, it will show you the description. 610 is account, yeah, account maintenance.
So it's a reversal is debit, right?
It will not impact. It will not impact. Reversal, account maintenance, this can be both. If I reverse a debit document, then the reversal is credit. If I reverse an invoice, then the reversal is credit. But if I reverse a payment, the reversal will be debit. Okay, the ulta of the original document. So it will, both will work. Debit, credit, whatever you do, SAP will not, I mean, stop you. Okay, let's see with credit only. So 600, 610 and 605, three of them I put credit. 600 is credit because 600 is payment. Other two also I put credit. Let's see whether it causes any error or not. Okay, so next step is ek01. 0903, I'll just copy. So first I'll do 600, then I'll do single copy 605, then 610. Next /n f ek02. 600. I will not need tax determination. 605. And 610. Okay, so all the reset, clear and reversal config is done. Now let's do reset, clear, and reversal. So first I'll do simple reversal, then we'll go into more complexities. So /o FPL9, I have one open item which is untouched. Let me reverse that document first. Okay, so let me first search with all item. So 4.20, that item was open. Let's go to 4.20. Okay, so with document number I'll filter. Is it a partial clearing? Yes, it's a partial clearing. I don't want to show you partial clearing uh, at first. Let me first show you simple scenario, then I'll go into those complex scenarios. Okay, so if I want to do reversal of 4.20, it will, so this document is of 20.60. So if I want to reverse the 4.20 part, it will not reverse the 4.20. It will do reset clearing first. Okay, this clearing document will be undone, then the entire 20.60 will be open, the entire 20.6 will be reversed. Okay, so instead of doing that, let me post a single document and then we'll reverse that, then I'll go into this thing. /o FPE1.
In this layout, it is not showing which one is the document and which one is the clearing document. It just say document, right?
Yeah, let me, by default, the standard layout always comes. That's why. This is document
Okay, this is the
415.
document and okay.
Okay, this is the clearing document. So I will create, first I'll create a document which does not have any clearing. Single document, independent document, then I am going to reverse. After that, I'll do this kind of thing.
So in that document column, this clearing document is not showing, right?
No, this one is clear. No. Document column, clearing document will not show. Clearing document will have a separate line, separate column. This part is not
Hmm.
cleared. That's why clearing doc is blank. Clearing date is blank. This part is cleared. That's why clearing doc and clearing date is populated.
Because sometimes we see in finance side that, for example, if clearing document is also, because if it has also posted something, right, debit credit, so same clearing document show in the document number also, and same
Okay.
number comes into clearing document also,
Okay.
because
That
it is both
depends.
actually.
Yeah. That depends. What is the clearing document? My clearing document is account maintenance. Let's see, do I have a BP item of this? No, I don't have a BP item. If I don't have a BP item, then it will not. So I don't have a BP item. It will not be shown. Okay. So I told you, remember the payment ones. If it is paid payment on account, it will have a BP item. It will show in the document number. But if it is cleared, it is a clearing document, then it will not appear in the document number. Okay.
Mhm.
It is that kind of
Okay,
document.
if payment document is also a clearing document, then it will come into both sides.
No. If payment document is posted as payment on account, after that the clearing has happened, then it will appear in both. But if the payment is posted directly with clearing, then it will appear in the clearing document. It will not appear in the document. Okay. Remember I showed you from DFKKOP, AUGBL and OPBL. If the payment is clearing directly posted with clearing, then it will always appear in the clearing document. It will not have its own existence. But if it is posted as payment on account, like the ones, like two payment on account I did initially in the first session, those will appear
Mhm.
in the document, and after that in auto clear they are cleared. Okay, so if it has its own existence, then it will appear in the document. Okay, else it will
And
not.
okay. So if, for example, we have invoice and then on account payment, and that two document we have auto clear or manually cleared later on.
Hmm.
So in that case, the clearing document means it will come into both sides.
No. The
In
invoice
that
and
also it will
payment,
not come.
yes, invoice and payment will be in the document side, and auto clear will be in the clearing document side. Okay.
Okay. So in short, whenever any clearing document will always be in clearing side only, right?
Yes.
Whatever scenario it is, whether it is on account or at the time of payment itself, it clear. If that document is a clearing document, it will be always on clearing side. It will not come onto other side,
I think
normal
the
document.
okay, let's see. I think it will have in the it will be in the document. It will be in the document side as well. Let me show you. Yeah, yeah, it will be in the document side as well. So going back, this is my clearing document. DFKK OP will not have, but I think here it will be shown. This is my clearing document. Now I go back in the document number. I search. It should be there. Hang on. Was there a filter or something? My clearing
Refresh it.
document is all item. Okay, I have it copied with me. No, auto clear is not shown, but I think payment will show. Payments will be shown. Yeah, IP. You see, IP payments are shown here. So
So it is showing both side,
1059,
right?
1059, yes. But auto clear, I think today I cleared, na? So clearing date, if I do descending, descending.
Mm.
Why there are no item of
No, no. So I think it's clear. It's fine. Subhadra, it is similar to this normal finance logic only, that if the clearing document creates some debit credit, at that time it will come into both sides. But if the clearing document is just later on we do clearing for two document, then it is simple clearing. It will not come to other side.
yes. Yes, yes. Okay. So I just posted one document. So I think this is a document. Which one I posted? Today's date, na 13/4. I think 90419. This is the document. Let me put a filter and see, does it have any other part? No, this is the only part. So first I'll reverse this because this one is single. So right click and click on reverse. This is option one. It will take you to FP08T code directly. Okay. Or what you can do, you can copy the document number, go to FP08, paste the document number, then you reverse. Okay. So right now I'm just if you right click, then you don't have to enter the document number. So it is posted. It is going to post a reversal document, and it will require a reconciliation key because reversal has to also be sent to the FICO. So the origin key of the reversal document is 02. So that's why the recon key is created that way. Now you can put a reversal date, or you may keep it blank. Ideally, it generally takes a system date. So basically the reversal you should go for current period only, because last period's reversal, if you try to do, say I want to reverse a invoice, a document which is posted in maybe March, and but my March period is closed by now, so it is better to clear with today's date. I mean current period, any date, any posting date of the current period. Okay, so if you keep it blank, it will take the system date. This is for these two, these three came for the config. Okay, but again PR is not needed because I'm not going to I'm not voiding any check. Just use save 90419. Okay, save it. Yes, recon key created, document posted under 500151. So my 90419, which is currently open, you will see a trash can here that is reversed. Okay, so refresh, you will see two trash can, one with the original document, the other one is a reversal document. Okay, so two trash can. This is the original document and this is the reversal document. Okay, so reversal document, our config said that, you see, this is the reversal document. Reversal document is just a reverse of the original document. So my original document is this is the original document. If I go to the overview, customer debit, revenue credit, output tax credit, original document. Now when I reversed it here, revenue debit, which was initially credited, output tax is also debited, and the customer is created, just the ulta, just the reversal. Okay, and from the original document also you can go to the reversal document. So here based on this you can put a filter and see which one has cleared which one, and you also come here, expand on the clearing data. it will tell you it is cleared via reversal, and this will open the reversal document. In the reversal document, you'll see that the origin key is 02. That's why the recon key is starting with the origin key. Okay, this is what we just saw in the in FPE1. Sorry, in the recon key creation, FPE1, when the recon key is created, this is where this gets created. Okay, so this is simple reversal. There is no complexity. Now let me show you a scenario where, say, I have like the 4.20. I have one invoice which is of $100. Now after that a payment came. So say a payment came, then the invoice gets splitted. Invoice gets splitted into two line. Say 60 part is cleared with IP incoming payment minus 60, and the 40 part is open. This is the scenario. These two are cleared and this is open. Okay. Now in this case, if I want to reverse the invoice, or maybe if I want to reverse the payment, whatever I want to reverse, if I whatever I want to reverse, the partial the clearing will be undone first. Okay, that is, it will be reset first, then the clearing will happen. So let's take the 4.20, what we initially saw, but I did not want to show you directly. Let's go into that scenario. So 4 point this amount. Okay, so 90515 has a already one part is cleared. It is 20.60, and 16.4 is cleared with what type of clearing? Double click on it, account maintenance. Okay, now if I want to reverse, uh, I want to reverse the entire 20.60. Now if I, whatever line item I select and go to reversal, it will first reset clear. This 1039 will go away, and then 20.60 will be reversed. Okay, but I will not see that reversal part, sorry, reset clear part. So I'll click on reverse. No amount is shown. The entire document needs to be reversed. This is what I'm instructing. Okay, so, and it also shows me what was the last reversal and what was the last reversed by, because just before that I did one reversal, which was a simple scenario. You can click on the spec and it will show you. Okay, now I'm going to reverse. Right now I have only 4.20, 4.2 is open and 16.4 is still cleared.
So
Okay,
it is already reversed, right? So we are 90415. No, no, okay.
this is before.
90419.
Yeah, it will tell you last reversal. Okay, like
Mhm.
your uh, workflow, like what have you done recent, that kind of thing it is showing. Okay, so
Mhm.
90415, I'm trying to reverse. A part of is open. I save. It will tell me document reversal additional action, because only reversal is not sufficient. There are some additional action. What is that additional action? It is saying that for this 90415 document, reset the following clearing before reversal. Okay, so it is instructing me, you undo the clearing first. What was the clearing? See, we just saw that this is the clearing. Okay, that is 90515 has a part cleared with account maintenance. So what will you do? You will just retain distribution to account, or whatever, and both will work. Retain distribution to account and click on reset all and post reversal. Okay, so reset all and post reversal. So document is posted. Now you will see that entire 20.60 will be reversed. So refresh. So 20.60 is now reversed. Okay, so if you double click, now it has two part. One part is reset and reversed, and second part, sorry, second part is this one. You see, do not see the message, but here when we came, we saw a message. Now in a support project, they might ask you, they may do several reset, several clearing, then undoing reset, then they raise a ticket. They got confused. The front desk customer CSR gets confused, they raise a ticket. Hey, what has happened with this? I don't know what has happened. I did something, then I went for lunch. Some other person came, blah blah. So how would you understand that whatever happened? I know it will show me the latest status, but before that it was earlier cleared. So how can you understand that? You click on go to, then you can go to payment slash returns. Here you can see the entire chronology. Okay, so first it was cleared with 1039. 16.40 was cleared with 1039. Then what is this thing? This is the reversal part. 4.20, 16.40. Today it is the reversal. What is this? Oh, this is a partial clearing. See, I just undone. I went to additional action. This is the additional action. So three things. I mean, these three happened today only. Okay. The dates are coming correctly because it does not show. Generally, it does not show. But anyways, the three action, it will show that whatever three actions were performed. Initially on 7/4, it was cleared by account maintenance last Sunday, and this today these three thing happened. Okay, this will, if you are working in a support ticket and all, so you can check this and you can respond to the user like this is what happened. What is this physical view? Okay, it has some other information maybe, and logical view. Okay, never I did not do this. I mean, came to this screen. But anyways, so this is what reset and reversal. Okay, now let's find the 1039. Remember there was a 1039. So let's find out that 1039. 1039, here it is. You'll ask why 1039 is still available, because it did not clear the 16.40 only. It also cleared some other document. Other documents clearing is not impacted. Only 16.4, that documents clearing is undone. So this 1039 clear maybe 5 document. Now when I try to reverse my invoice out of the 5, only one part was that invoice. So that part is undone. Okay, but the other 4 clearing is not impacted. That means the entire 1039 is not reopened. Only the one part which was preventing, which was requiring additional action, only that part is reopened. Are you getting this, guys? The entire clearing document is not reopened. Only that part is reopened which is necessary for our reversal. Okay, only uh, only this one had the 1039. Only here we had 1039. Only that part is undone. Rest, whatever 1039 is there, that is not impacted. Okay, so this
So
is,
this 1039 is actually partially reset only with reference to this document,
yes,
because in FP08 screen we have entered this document, main
yes,
document.
yes, only to reverse 90415. uh, only this part of 1039 was reset. The other part of 1039 is not disturbed. Okay,
Mm. And if we select this 1039, then it will reset and reverse everything.
yes. Now if I want to reset clear, so we just did reversal. Now what will happen? Reversal will if I do reversal, so say in this case, so this is my balance. My, what is my balance? My balance is 40. Okay, now if I want to reverse, then what will happen? Say I want to reverse the payment. Okay, so the moment I reverse the payment, my minus 60 will have a plus 60. Okay, and this clearing will go away, undo. So my balance will be back to 100. This is my reversal. But if I reset, the balance will not be impacted, because only the